Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. To Sir Nazri and fellow viewers, my name is Muhammad Daniel Shahmi bin Muhammad Zubair, AS 10519, and today I'll be presenting my group poster assignment for the course ASM 0405. Okay, my group members is Nazilda binti Zulkarnain, Fatin Natasha binti Kamaruzaman, Nur Ain Amira binti Imran, Muhammad Ilman bin Muhammad Idlan, and lastly Nur Huda binti Muhammad Rafi'i. Okay, before I start this presentation, I would like to ask you to refer to the poster and data that we had submitted to avoid any confusion. So our group had conducted research on the correlation between the amount of time spent on streaming platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, View, etc., and the amount of sleep. The reason we chose these two factors is because nowadays the people in this modern era is hooked on technology and spend a lot of time watching series, dramas, or movies on the streaming platforms, and some later into the night it can affect the sleep cycle. So the aim of this experiment is to study the relationship between the two factors. We also wanted to predict and know the amount of sleep the addicted viewers receive normally and compare it with the non-viewers. Now we'll move on to the methodology. We collected the data for this experiment through an online survey using Google Docs. The survey was distributed throughout known associates and groups that are in Selangor. We include 3 different questions in the survey for the respondents to answer. The independent variable for this experiment is the amount of time spent on streaming platforms, and the dependent variable is the amount of sleep. The next part is the findings. We received 50 fully answered response and calculated the covariance of X and Y using the 50 response. We grouped the data in a table in the maths data file that is available in the email that we have submitted. We multiplied the X and Y value, which were the dependent and independent values, to obtain XY. We then took sum of the XY value and subtracted with the multiplied sum of X and sum of Y divided by the number of response, which were 50. We then took those values and input it in the covariance formula. We obtained an answer which is large negative covariance. After we fully calculated the findings, we plot a line graph using Microsoft Excel to input each of the 50 response and found out that the graph also showed large negative covariance similar to our calculated results. After this experiment, we can conclude that when the amount of time spent on streaming platforms increase, the amount of sleep decrease. All of us recommend that in any experiment, we should try to create and prove a hypothesis. We should also send our survey to specific areas and spread it throughout the respondents of the area. Lastly, I wish you and the other viewers to be safe from the COVID-19. This all from me. Thank you.